Mama is not around. Mama, he'll be all around the house.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Agarwal, founder of the Tiny Hands Clothing. So today we have Sakshi Kanoy, who is an influencer and also a mother to a 4-year-old. We are family friends catching after a really long time. So let's hear it out today on her mom journey.
Definitely.
So Sakshi, tell me, how old is your little one and what's their current favorite thing to do all day?
Okay, so he's 4 years old and his name is Krishav, and his favorite thing to do is jumping around all the time. Of course, he's a boy, so what more do you expect? And he cannot sit in one place for more than 5 minutes. And if I'm not around, that will be less, the time reduces to 2 minutes.
Okay.
So if mama बैठी है तो at least 5 minutes he'll sit. If mama is not around, mama, he'll be all around.
Have you ever brought something super cute but your child just refused to wear it?
All the time. I bring home clothes ki dinosaurs bane, cute teddy bears bane. I remember this one dress I bought from Tiny Hands. It had a very nice lion, 3D lion made here.
I think the white tee
and
the blue.
And I think he wore it twice, and third time the lion was in my hand. So I was like, Krishav, पहले तो he didn't want to wear it. Somehow I just put him into it because the fabric was soft. तो फिर भी उसने चला लिया. But वो lion का उसको ऐसे था कि क्या है. Third time, mama lion.
And then our teacher is
Yes, but then that particular piece I really bought with a lot of love, and he ruined it.
Okay. So as a mom, what's the biggest struggle when it comes to dressing a toddler every day?
I think the whole idea of dressing is a very big struggle for me. Krishav is a very picky person when it comes to clothes. मतलब he's 4 years old. मतलब इतना छोटा बच्चा, मुझे लगता है उसको पता भी क्या होगा फैब्रिक के बारे में. If I bring his clothes, he'll touch the fabric and say, नहीं ये वाला नहीं पहनूंगा, दूसरा दो. And I'm like, okay. So literally when I have to dress him up, like make him wear a shirt or a blazer या फिर kurta pajama, 2 people are needed. My mother-in-law and I. One holds him and one puts on the clothes. Even then we struggle for 15 to 20 minutes. This tiny woman has so much strength and energy कि हम दोनों को वो पीछे कर सकता है. But we somehow just managed to put him inside the clothes.
And then he wears it, or he
10-15 minutes he'll sit like this with his clothes.
Okay.
मतलब वो अपने कॉलर को ऐसे पकड़ के टाइट है, चुभ रहा है, नहीं पहनना है, टाइट है. He thinks uncomfortable means tight. तो टाइट है, मुझे नहीं पहनना, टाइट नहीं है, ये लूज है, पहनो.
Okay, and then who wins? Like you or like?
There are times when we have to let him win, and then there are very few times when I win.
Oh, okay. Comfort versus style, what matters more to you honestly?
Okay, to me, I think I'm okay with both as long as he wears it. And for him, it's only comfort. Style तो out of the window. He doesn't care क्या पहना है क्या नहीं. Comfortable होना चाहिए.
Okay.
He's like his father in that terms. Even Apurva is he's exactly like Apurva. I have had struggle for 4 years of my marriage for dressing Apurva also, and now last 4 years I'm dressing him.
No, but now you've given up.
I'm given up. I do whatever you want to do. I don't care. You just wear something and come. बस मेरे को उतना ही चाहिए. My own mother is very particular about clothing and ये वो. तो वो मुझे उनका हमेशा एक लाइन रहता था, खुद तो हीरोइन बन के आ जाती है, इनको क्यों नहीं कपड़े ढंग से पहना के. मैं कहा मम्मा एक दिन रख लो, दोनों को रख लो. आप अगर पहना पाओ तो आप जो बोलोगे मैं हार जाऊंगी, आप रख लो इनको.
Do you think clothes affect how confident or happy kids feel?
Definitely. So the times when I win in the clothing battle, so that time he's cranky all the time. Like अगर 1 hour का function में हम गए हैं तो 55 minutes he'll be tight है, नहीं पहनना. And then he'll be like sitting like this and holding यहाँ से t-shirt या यहाँ से t-shirt. He will not be playing around. He'll be behind me only, mama. And when he's wearing his comfortable, he doesn't care if mama is there or not. He is out and about. I have to find him. Where is Krishav?
any outfit that holds a special memory for you and your toddler?
Yeah, so there was this one dress I had bought for him before he was born, for his bring home dress. Like after from hospital we had to come home, so I had bought this dress for him. It had a poo made on it, and he was born very tiny. He was just 2.5 kgs. So the dress was 0 to 1 years only, but it was looking like a hanger. Like we've hung the dress on a hanger. It was very tiny, and the dress, and within 1 month of time, touchwood, he gained a nice weight because of feeding and everything. And 1 month, when he turned 1 month, I made him wear that dress, and it fit him so well. So that dress holds a very special place in my heart. I still have it, and it looked beautiful on him. He looked like a poo in that because he had gained quite a lot of weight. So yeah, that particular dress.
Okay, so since obviously that's his
Memory,
first,
yes, first ever.
home. So Sakshi, since Krishav is very picky, very choosy about his clothes, so just wanted to know, if you buy this for him, what would be his reaction? Will he like to wear it?
Yeah, I think this he will love. This I also love. So this is one dress I think both of us will agree on because it has style and the fabric is very soft and very wearable. So he will definitely wear it, and he loves baggy jeans like these.
Okay, so do you think this is Krishav approved?
Yeah, 100%. This is Krishav and Mama both approved.
Oh, okay. How about this jacket, since winters are around the corner?
Yeah, the fabric is very soft again. I think he should wear it.
Oh.
I also love it.
Also the detailing, if you
Yeah.
want to miss.
So there are sometimes when the clothes are not as comfortable, if this one is, but otherwise, so I try to take clothes that have these characters, जो उसको पसंद है, either Spider-Man, Marvel characters, cars, he's very fond of cars, dinosaurs. Then also there is one chance that he might wear it if it is a 10% here or there.
थोड़ा शायद फिसल
थोड़ा
जाए.
हाँ कि देखो देखो डायनासोर है, and before he knows it he's in it.
Okay.
Those tricks I have to imply कि कहीं presentable दिखना है तो you have to wear something